channel. As we have so many functions to attend, so many occasions, I created pretty gorgeous look which you can wear in weddings, receptions and parties, wherever you want. If you want to see how I create this pretty look, let's get started. Starting with priming my face with the Patanjali Aloevera Gel, I'm going to start with the center of my face and then blend it outwards. Taking VLCC sunscreen with SPF 30, I'll be applying in dot form with the help of my finger all over my face and neck area. Then blending it out with a Real Technique beauty blender. This has a tinted formula, gives you medium coverage, very light on the skin, does not crease, plus protects you from the sun as well. For defining my brows, I'll be using ADS brow pencil in shade brown, going very light-handed in front and then brushing it out with a spoolie. Next, I'll be using the Olivia Concealer in shade 05 Touch and Glow to prime my eyelids. Then taking this copper shade with the help of a fluffy blending brush, pop this color all over your lid as a transition shade, concentrating more at the inner corner and the outer corner of the eyelid. Then with the help of a flat top brush, I'll be placing on some glitter glue in the inner half of the eyelid. Taking some golden loose pigment, I'll be applying on the inner half of the eyelid, not going above the crease area and intensifying the glitter. Dusting off if there is any fallout. Taking this copper shade from ADS Eyeshadow Shiner, I'll be blending out and diffusing the harsh edges of the glitter. Taking Lakme Absolute Liner, I'm just going to map out my wing and draw a basing wing liner. Taking the same copper shade, I'll be applying on the lower lash line. For foundation, I'm applying Olay Foundation with SPF 30. I'll be applying with the help of my fingers in dot form all over the face and neck area and then blending it out with a beauty blender. This light on the skin gives you flawless finish and medium coverage. Here I'm blending in dab motion. Then I'll be applying the Olivia Concealer under my eyes, the bridge of the nose, chin and forehead. Its consistency is really good, very easy to blend, high coverage and brightens up as well. To set all the cream and liquid products, I'll be using Lakme Rose Powder. It's a loose powder. I'll be applying a thin layer all over my face with the applicator that comes with the powder. After all the base is set, I'll be coming back to the cheeks and I'm going to contour using the ADS pencil in shade number 013. I'll be using it under my cheeks, the side of the nose, along my jawline, and blending it out using an oval brush. This is a cream product, very easy to blend and extremely pigmented. Here I'll be going in the vertical strokes and horizontal strokes in the cheek area. To set all the cream contour, I'll be using the Mars 5-in-1 blush palette and apply the dark brown shade on the areas where I've done the contouring with the help of a fluffy blending brush. For the flush of color on the cheeks, I'm using a dusky pink shade from the same Mars 5-in-1 blush palette. Apply on the apples of the cheeks and then blend it outwards. I'll also be applying a little bit on my nose. For highlighter, I'll be using the champagne gold shade from Inside and apply on the high points of the face, starting with the inner corners, the tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, brow bone and cheekbone as well. Finally, the lips, I'll be using 7 Heaven lip liner in Cranberry to line my lips, filling in with some Kiss Beauty lip crayon in shade number 022. It's a beautiful coral red shade, and then finishing off with some falsies. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this look, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and the bell button next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It means a lot to me, guys. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Till then, keep smiling. Love you all. Bye-bye.